students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will study maths topic, that is multiplication. Yes friends, so take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes friends, before starting the chapter multiplication, I want to tell you one important thing relating to the multiplication, that you must learn multiply tables by heart. Do everyday written practice of these tables and learn these properly. Yes, now we start. Yes friends, firstly I am telling you regarding exercise 3.1. In this exercise, first sum is of fill in the blanks. Which type of blanks are here? See, exercise 3.1. Yes, first sum is of blanks. Yes, first part, A part is there, that is 35 multiply 12 is equal to dash multiply 635. Yes friends, how we will fill this blank? Yes, you can see here is equal to symbol, and this side left hand side and this side is right hand side, and is equal to symbol is there, means both the side must have same numbers. Yes, and you can see here which number is missing here. You can see by comparing here is 635 multiplied by 12, and on other side 635 is present there, but which number is missing? 12 is missing. So here what we will write? We will write 12. Yes, now let's move to G part. I will tell you G part. Yes, what is in G part? Dash multiplied by 45 bracket close multiply 35 is equal to 54 multiply, next is bracket, and 45 multiply dash bracket close. Now as we have done some part A, same is in G part. Here you can see this is the left side and this is the right hand side. Both the numbers must be same on both the sides because is equal to symbol is there. Yes, you can see here 45 is there, 35 is there, and on other side which is there 54 and 45 is there. And from here firstly you can see which number is missing. As we compare these both, 35 is missing on that side. So here we can write 35. Now here three numbers are there. This side must have three numbers, same numbers. So here 35 is there, 45 is there, and which number is missing here? As you already know, it will be 54. Yes. Now I will tell you I part. What is there in I part? 12 plus 21 multiply 7. Yes, is equal to 12 multiply 7 plus 21 multiply dash. Now how to solve this? Yes, here you can see this bracket is multiplied by 7. It means this 7 is multiplied firstly by 12, then this 7 is multiplied by 21. Yes, this bracket is multiplied by 7. It means 7 is multiplied firstly by 12 and this 7 is again multiplied by 21, and after that their product is added. Same is written here, 12 is multiplied by 7, then 21 will be multiplied by, as you can see from here, 12 is multiplied by 7, and you can see here 21 will be multiplied by 7. And what is there in the blank? 12 is multiplied by 7, and here what we will write? 21 will be multiplied by 7. Yes friends, now sum number 2 is there. Yes, how to do that? That is the only multiplication sum, so that you can solve by yourself. But for doing second sum, I want to tell you one trick. That is, for example, there is what is given in the sum? 10 multiply 50 multiply 60. This part is given. Yes, then here is bracket. Bracket is means we will solve this firstly. How you can solve this? Orally. We can solve this orally. How? 1 will be multiplied by 5. 1 5 is the 5 After that 1 0 is here and 1 0 is there. Totally we are having 2 zeros. Yes, so we will write 2 zeros with 5. So we got 500. Means when 10 multiplied by 50 is there, then the product will be 500. After that, this product 500 will be multiplied further by 60. Now 500 multiplied by 60. Then what to do? 5 6 the. These both will be multiplied. 5 6 the 30. And in both the numbers, how many zeros are there? 2 from here and 1 from here. With 30, we will write these 3 zeros. 2 from here, 1 from here. With 30, we will write these 3 zeros. So we got 30,000. Yes, in this way we will solve this. And B part is also given there. You will solve B part. And after that, it is asked, what do you observe? Yes, here the product is this. When you will solve the B part, you will also find the product. Then you will compare both the products. Then you can write that, you will see that both the products are same. In your observation, what you will see, what you will write, that both the products are same. Yes, now with this exercise 3.1 is over. This exercise sums you will do in your book and in your notebook, and do the revision also of these sums. Now let's move to the exercise 3.2. It's a so easy exercise. I will tell you one part from every sum. Yes, see here how to do exercise 3.2. First sum is there. Multiply to find the product. Yes, B part. B part is there. 1219 multiplied by 10. You have to multiply these, and I will tell you very simple way that how you can multiply these orally, as I have told in previous sum. Yes, here this 1219 multiplied by 1. When this number will be multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. You will get 1219. And here is 1 0, and this 0 will be shifted with the answer. Yes, now when you will multiply these both, which product you will get? This product you will get 12,190. Yes, now F part of this first sum, F part, 319 multiplied by 1000. Yes, here 319 multiplied by 1. You will get 319, and here are the 3 zeros. So we'll write these 3 zeros with the product. Yes, in this way you will solve all the parts. Yes, after that, second sum. How to solve second sum? There is the diagram that is made. I am going to tell you B part. Second sum, B part. Yes, how the diagram is made? Yes, here is 68 multiplied by 10. Yes, after that multiplied by 100. Now see how to solve this. Here is multiplied by 1000. See here, starting point is this. From here we will move to this circle. Yes, 68 multiplied by 10. Yes, as I already told you how to multiply. Yes, 68 multiplied by 10. 68 firstly multiplied by 1. 68, then 10 is there. It will be written like this. Now we move from here, we start from here. 68 multiplied by 10, we got up to 680. After that 680, now this arrow is going to this direction. 680 multiplied by 100. 680 multiplied by 100. Again same we will repeat the process. 68 multiplied by 1, 68, and in these both numbers how many zeros are there? This 1 0 and 2 zeros in 100. Total 3 zeros are there. So we got 68,000. This automatically will be proved. Yes, 68 multiplied by 1000. Yes, 68 ones are 68, and these 3 0 will be shifted here. So in this way this circle is complete. I have told you how to do first one part, and other parts you will do by yourself. Now let's move to our next sum. Yes friends, C part. there is also find the product. Yes, here I will tell you F part. Find the product. What is the statement of F part? 5 multiplied by 5000. Yes, here 5 multiplied by 5. These both will be multiplied. You will get 25. 5 5s are 25. And here how many zeros? 3 zeros. So here 3 zeros will be written with 25. So 5 multiply 5000, it is equal to 25,000. Yes, see one more part, that is D part. 319 multiplied by 400. Here how to solve? 319 multiplied by 4. Yes, 319 multiplied by 4. As you already know this product, in class 3 you have done. Yes, 4 9s the 36, 3 carry, 4 1s the 4 and 3 7, 4 3s the 12. We got 1276. Yes, 1276. 319 multiplied by 4, we got 1276, and here you can see 2 zeros are there. These 2 zeros will be written with the answer. In this way, this product is done. Yes, after that students, sum number 4 you will do by yourself, and sum number 5. See here how to do sum number 5. It's also very easy. It is in the form of blanks. Yes. B part. 215 multiplied by 800. Yes. This is the statement, and on the other side 215 multiplied by dash, bracket close, and multiplied by 100. How to fill this blank? See here, 215 multiplied by 800. It can be also written, 800 can also be written 8 multiplied by 100. 800 can be written 8 multiplied by 100. Yes, and the same answer you can follow here. Yes, now you got this statement, only 800 is written, 8 multiplied by 100. Yes, in the same way how you can write 215 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 100. In this way you can solve all the parts of this sum. Yes friends, with this 3.1 exercise and 3.2 exercise I have told how to solve. So solve these exercises properly. Do the revision of these exercises also. Thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.